Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna share with you guys on how I install this rear spoiler. This is a genuine spoiler. I bought it on eBay and luckily the color also matched my car's color. My car did not come with a spoiler from factory, so it does not have any holes to install this spoiler on. But what I did is I used some RTV silicone and some of double-sided tape, and then I glued it. It's not glue, but it's silicone. As you guys can see, there are cracks. All those cracks are filled with silicone. So once you guys use silicone, make sure you let it sit for at least 24 hours or maybe more. After that, you guys can go through a car wash or anything. It's not gonna do any damage. This is pretty sturdy. Make sure to seal all the cracks over here, otherwise there's gonna be water intrusion into those cracks and it might cause rust, and it might create a bigger problem in future for you guys. So this is how you do it without drilling any holes. My genuine third brake light is still functional. This one I have not hooked it up yet. It has a couple of LEDs that are burnt, and in order to replace this piece it's like $230 or $40, which I'm not gonna waste on just replacing those two LED bulbs. As you guys can see, I lucked out and I sourced the genuine spoiler from factory. This wire is gonna come out through that side, but this spoiler inside is hollow, so you guys can route the wire inside it and then get it out through here. But make sure you guys use a lot of silicone to seal all the cracks. And this is the insulation tube that I bought on eBay. This is very cheap on eBay. You guys can use this insulation, buy it at your local parts stores or get it from eBay, because on eBay it's a lot cheap. And put your wires through this insulation and then go all the way down. I use a zip tie over here. I still have not connected it to the brake light. One is positive and one is negative. So for negative, I may take a negative by connecting it through a bolt that is attached to the body, or maybe I will just solder both of them to the brake light. And the silicone I used is this silicone. That's it for now. Thank you very much and see you guys in another video. Bye.